Mueller Ultra Coffee Maker, programmable 12-cup machine, multiple brew strength, keep warm. Mueller Ultra Coffee Maker is designed to extract the fullest flavor possible. It combines a high brew temperature of up to 205 degrees and a faster brew speed, resulting in nothing short of exceptional tasting coffee. This unique coffee maker with new features, brewing methods and designs will delight the tastes and styles of American coffee drinkers. The best tasting coffee, brew a full pot of coffee using your favorite grounds, and with brew strength control you can select regular or bold coffee flavor, whatever you like better. Easy brew and precise pouring, pause and serve function allows for pouring a cup at any time during the brew cycle. Special carafe design ensures drip-free and your coffee down to the last drop. Easy filling, built-in water reservoir for easy and safe water filling. No more dripping or mess on your countertops. Permanent coffee filter. Mueller Ultra Coffee Maker includes one permanent coffee filter, saving the money from buying paper water filters. Superior quality with Mueller. We are here to offer you only the best quality products designed to make your life more easier and fun. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us. Our professional customer support is always here for you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.